Well, out with the old, in with the new. I am setting aside my original Apple Watch nylon sport loop, as well as my golden brown leather link. Oh, you can see that tinge there. Oh, that's the way it oxidizes. Something happens with the leather here, and you just don't really get the same color for the life of the item. In favor of a new Nike sport loop in black and blue. You even got a nice Nike pull tab right there to help you kind of cinch up. And the leather link in ink. Now, truth be told, both these colors pop more than I anticipated. I was expecting this to be pretty close to black and, well, this to be closer to black. But instead, I get a little bit of purple in direct sunlight, and this is most obviously a dark blue. Why these watch bands? Well, I wasn't that impressed with the fine woven. Yeah, the initial impressions were strong, but it was this new material and it just slips. And once you lose a full link of slippage, you just can't go anywhere without the watch just being loose. And with the leather, you get a much more secure all-day link. Even on an older one, nothing fades as far as utility. I wanted a nice leather band for on-stage purposes to give me a little bit of confidence without my watch looking like, oh, the band is dirty. And I was really feeling wear on my original nylon sport loop. This Nike one is a little bit thicker, springier. I slept with this overnight and wasn't irritated at all. I think you could actually leave this on for all-day use. And not to mention, fine woven is at a premium right now. It's not leather, and yet they wanted the old leather price. So you could actually pick up like genuine leather Apple Watch band for usually half the price. And heck, the nylon sport loop, still half the price of fine woven. Hey, if you found these bands helpful, please leave a like and consider following my Amazon shop for more of my finds.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, so I just wanted to remind you that instead of buying Vaughn's weird pictures online in various states of undress, you can just bookmark his Amazon affiliate link, and then when you shop Throw It on Amazon, he gets a few pennies here and there.